this is Savitri teaching English shorthand. Today I am going to teach you the phrases from Grammalogues. He has not been. He has not been. He has to be. He has to be. He is to be. Both are same. He must be. He must be. He must not be. N is halt for T sound. He was. He was not. He was not. We have. We have had. We have been. We have not been. We can say. We cannot say. K is halt for T sound and N hook, then stroke S. We can have. We can have. We cannot have. K is halt for T sound, then N hook, have. We cannot do. Cannot do. We will have. We will not have. We will is halt for T sound and N hook, have. We may be. We may be. We may not be. May, M is halt for T sound, N hook and be. We might be. Here I diphthong we need to mention. We might be. We should be. We should be. We should not be. Should. For should, circle S is used. We should have. We should have. More or less. More, particular. More is grammalogue. Particular is also grammalogue. Along with that, L is added. We should not have. We should not have. We should not have been. We should not have been. We cannot be. K is halt for T sound, N hook and B. We can be. We shall be. We shall not be. We shall not be. We shall have. We must be. We thank you. We cannot understand. We cannot understand. Here K is halt for T sound, N hook, then N is halt for D sound, circle S. Again T is halt for D sound with N hook. We do not say. We do not say. Here A vowel. We do not see. We do not see. Here E vowel. We do not think. We do not think. We do not know. Do not know. We did not know. We did not know. Stay tuned to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. These simple phrases from Grammalogues will frequently occur in dictation passage, so practice rigorously. Thank you.